Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team, making the watch list video for Friday, November 3rd. Today was a pretty crazy day with all the market data and stuff going on in the news, so market went pretty weird today. It was a little bit crazy trading this morning. So let's look at some of the watch list ones and the ones on Trade Ideas, see if we're going to keep them at all. Starting off with OCRX. Let's see here. Is betting and it's trading kind of sideways. I don't know if I'm going to keep that one on. PYDS. Wow, just still went out. Had that one on the watch list today. I had a break of 242 and then just ripped again today. And it's right at 350-ish area. So I'll put an alert at or above 350. Obviously, you can take it either way, depending on which way it goes. Potential short if there are shares to short. But I like how it's closing right near a $0.50 amount. So we'll put at or above 350. I'm making this watch this video a little bit earlier today because I got to run shortly. So not sure what's going to happen after market, but actually let me just cancel these ones that were still open. Put at or above 350. There we go. So MTBC, and actually, you know, I'll put resistance around $4 too. Obviously 410 as well, but I put $4, just psychological resistance, and some support over here around 294. I'd probably put it at $3 to be safe. Okay. MTBC. Yeah, so we'll do. It's kind of falling towards. Yeah, I'm not going to keep that one on. Kind of falling right now. So MTBC, no. EYES, no. BBG, no. ELGX, no. Riot, no. XNet, crazy. I still think that thing's going to go up. It's over my $10 rule, so I'm not going to trade it, but I still think that thing's going to now bull flag and keep going. Look at it. Look at the way it's happening. All that bull flagging, pulling back here. I wouldn't be surprised if that thing goes up above $12 tomorrow. But who knows? Not putting it on. SN, no. NCTY, no. IZEA, no. Icon, nope. And Mara, nope. Let's see if there's any new ones. DCIX. Man, that one's hard to trade. You can't see what it's. No. OCRX. I took that one off, so no. ARLZ, potentially. Let's see here. ARLZ, I'll put at or above $2. That one might potentially go up. Some resistance at $3. Probably $2.50 too, right? Also right around $2.50. So if it breaks above $2, watch for that, and then look at $2.50 and $3 for resistance. Let's see some support here. Right around around there. DRNA, that broke out. So see some support right here around that 674. Some resistance up at that 789. At or above. Oh, it's kind of dropping right at the end of the day. But possible continuation, see at or above 725. See if it can continue. Let's see here. Let me change that. And again, so if a resistance area breaks above and then comes back down and breaks below, that's usually a bearish sign. So obviously you're trapped here in a wick kind of area, which could be some volatility. So if it breaks 725 and you got in on the other side of this and then it falls below it, that's bearish. I'd get out. Sometimes you have fake outs, but sometimes it's best to just get out and wait for it to come back over again. But you got to keep an eye out. But it would be a bearish sign if it falls below this area, the 725, because that would be previous day's close, which is today, 723. Grow pot. I think that's a pot stock. Is it a pot stock? Let's see here. Let me remove these. Wow, thing's been really on a tear. Let me take a look over here. GROW. Seeing if it's a 5-cent spread. Nope. Did it get any news today? Let's see here on the weekly. I just have a feeling it's going to pull back. Let's see here. I'll put at or above 332. It's a little bit overextended right now on breaking yearly highs, but it might have a continuation. So got to watch. At or above 332. Some support down here. Obviously, be careful at $3. This one I don't love just because it's overextended. But you just never know. When a stock breaks out like this, it just could have continuation. So you got to watch it. And it's a low floater. So, could be volatile. RFP. So that's kind of another one here. Pull back. Let's see here. Some support here at 678. 740 resistance. Can try at or above 720. At or above 720. Careful resistance at 740. See if it'll continue to run. Could be a potential short. It is a short. There is shares to short available in TOS here. So, you know, 720 rejects, you could potentially short this thing down. So you got to watch it tomorrow and see. RFP. EVEP. Yeah, it looks like it might be a potential inverse head and shoulders breakout. Got to see here. Let me look over here first. RFP. Up. S.5C, 5-cent spread. That's why I always check them. That's coming off. Let's take a look at DRNA. Okay, so that one's okay. So EVEP, let's take a look at there. EVEP. Nope, so that one's good. Potential inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Look at that, right at the, some support there. Let's pull back at 80 cents. Some resistance. I'd put it right below $1. So this one might run. So potential head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders breakout. So I'll put at or above 80 cents. EVEP. All right, MTBC. I think man, this one's been really up and down lately. Hasn't been any news on this thing, I don't think. Or I think there was a reverse. Was somebody saying a reverse split? Yeah, I'm not putting on. I'm not seeing any news pop up. So NOG, pull back right below that dollar area. ENSV, UMA, BONT, ERII. Pull back. No, SPCB. Goodness. Let's look at this one here. So that 429. Let's see if there's some support here. 421. Let's take a look at SPCB. SPCB. All right. So I put at or above 429. See if it has a yearly breakdown. Obviously, if it breaks below that area after it breaks above it, that's a potentially bearish sign. So we'll put at or above 429. I'll put 430. So SPCB. RPRX, no. SECO, potentially. Let's see, double bottom. No. ANY, no. MRNS, potentially. So let's see, 664. Some resistance holding its highs. Let's see here. So there's some resistance there around 662. Potential continuation, gotta see. I'll put an alert at or above 642. Be careful of resistance at 650. And then in that same area, that 660. Yeah, I don't like it. It's too close. It's holding its highs, but I just get worried about it. That area there. So yeah, I'm not going to put it on. Too close to resistance. HOS, CRMD. Let's see. CRMD. Closing above the EMAs, potentially going up. Let's put at or above 61. What's resistance here? 76. And it's just not that much room to go. I'm not going to put that on. EKSO, KND, ONCS. Let's see. Let's see. No, there's not much news lately either. ARDX. I think this is a 5-cent spread one. Yep. RLOG. Nope. Roca, no. ALIM, no. FINL, no. INFI, no. CYTR. It's just kind of tough to trade that one. PES. No, let's see. What was one that I would have considered putting on? Was it EY? It's one of these I might consider that I didn't put on. No, let's take a look at any of these ones here. Again, today's a weird day. That's why you need trade ideas and a nice scanner. Because, what the heck? I don't know why it's doing that. The days like today is why you need trade ideas. If something's not holding or going up on the watch list, um, you need a good scanner to find plays. So CLMT, yeah, I'll put that one. Let me just remove this drawing, move this one, put support right there, at or above 940. See if that's going to potentially continue up. But yeah, that's why, again, that's why we love having trade ideas. It's an awesome scanner because it finds plays. When something on this watch list isn't moving or there's some indecision, trade ideas picks up what's moving. You know, it's very simple. That's why we love having them because they really catch what's actually like really moving in the market. Looking at some yearly lows, seeing if there's anything here that I like. Basically looking here for ones that are really selling off that are far away from the EMAs on the daily. So see if there's anything for a potential reversal. This one's really far away, but I'd like to see a potential reversal candle. VSAR, GNCA. No. Not much popping up over here. No. Let's see that one. No. All right, so that's going to be the watch list for tomorrow. Let's go and take a look at doing the swing trade one now. See what those look like. This one, again, it's been a weird week with earnings week, so we'll see if there's any that don't really have earnings right now. So we'll see when I do them if there's still earnings coming up. If so, we might skip swing trade watch list again. So I got to take a look and see. Here we go. And still quite a bit of earnings coming up. All right, let's take a look here. TWO, no. CSU, no. Man, yeah, a lot of these are breaking out, probably due to earnings. Let's see here. Yeah, lots of them just have earnings dates here still. Goodness. All right, let's see here. Let's see if there's any that will pop up. INVH. This one's, you can remember a couple weeks back, it was on our watch list, and it kind of broke out a little bit here today, but still not moving up. Still choppy. SFR. All right, this one, let's see, is this BlackBerry or Best Buy? I'm not sure. All right, so on or before the 16th, potentially reversing, closed above the EMAs. So this one, well, it looked like it dropped after market. This would be an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline there at 59.49 area. So this one might be worth watching if it breaks above 57.47. So I think I would put that one on there. Plus the earnings is still a couple weeks out. So that one's worth BBY seeing. It's got some room to go up too. And if it gets up to this area, that's a neckline of an inverse head and shoulder. So keep an eye on that. KR. Too choppy. TRGP, EXR, BPH. Another one a little bit choppy. CONE, LHO, GNTX. see what the top is there. 1963. That one's got potential. What? There isn't an earnings date, so that's good. It's got some room to go. It's closing right above the EMA lines. Can get choppy up in there though. I'm not going to put that one on. BCC, HCN, Rio, HIG, APH, LVS, HES, CNP, XEL. Let's see here. Nada. Well, if you're watching this video, BBY, I'm gonna not. I don't know if I'm gonna. Am I gonna send this one out? Let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna send it out, but it's one. Well, it is. It's definitely got that inverse head and shoulders thing. There is some volatility within here. I would keep it kind of short term. Let me see if there's any on another scan. Let's see. Some resistance right over here. Fill the gap. CYBR. It's in the gap. 47.20. It's in the gap right now, so it's a little volatile. SFM, YUM. Let's see, ZTS, EGHT. No. HDP, BBY, UBS. No, BBL. No. BHP, again, some of them are duplicates. Very ugly looking. Yeah, I guess that's all I'm going to look for. Yeah, I'll keep BBY on there. It's worth it. So, yeah, this is kind of a short one here today. Again, if you are not a member of our Facebook community yet, come and join us on Facebook. We are the Bullish Bears. We title our Facebook group Stock Market Community to differentiate from our fan page. Obviously, we have over 17,000 members, so lots of great content and community members. So come and join us. The links are below if you haven't joined us already. Same thing with our fan page. If you haven't liked and followed our fan page, you can do that as well. Links are below. We are the Bullish Bears. We have, again, our fan page in a community. We link them together. We post a lot of our content and our updates over here, as well as each morning we post trade ideas, pre-market movers, and Benzinga's news. We get you community discounts as well. We get a 15% discount for trade ideas one time, and also 25% for Benzinga. So if you pick up one of these two products, make sure you click on our links and use our promo codes to help us out as a community. But Trade Ideas and Benzinga are two of our most favorite tools. Trade Ideas, again, scanner that we couldn't live without, and Benzinga is an awesome newswire service. If you haven't been over to our website yet, head over to bullishbears.com. Make sure that you subscribe to our daily watch list and trade alerts here. Also, we have some great courses. If you need more training, we have a couple $1,000s worth of free courses. We have a stock trading course, a basic course basically. We have pretty much like a day trading course, an options trading course, a basics one, and how to set up your Thinkorswim platform. So we have lots of great content over here. If you haven't joined our trade room yet, make sure you click on this link over here for trade room. We are at maximum capacity of 600 members in the group. we basically had to start removing people that have been not active for the past 30 days. We're going to have to start moving it up to probably within at least a week, and removing people that are not active on a weekly basis. And then we're going to probably have to start giving precedent to those that donate to our community. Again, we are a donation-based community. We don't charge for anything. So to really give all of this for free to everybody, be at maximum capacity. And again, if you're not donating, we have to give more kind of the preferential treatment to those that are at least donating something to our community. Again, if you're using all of our services, you're subscribing, you're getting our daily watch list, you're in our trade room, you're taking our free content. Maybe if you'd like to think about donating, it helps us again as a community, but also number two, to keep people in our trade room, we need them to be active, not only supporting active-wise, but also helping us financially. Again, we have donation options for as low as $10 a month. So, I mean, most trade rooms out there charge at least $100, $150 a month. So it's we don't think it's unreasonable to ask, hey, listen, if you like what we're offering, there's no obligation to charge for anything. But listen, if you kick back 10 or 25 bucks a month, if you're on a budget, it helps us to grow. But we're going to have to keep it, for preferential for those that at least donate first, and then probably those that are active within a week, to keep things moving. Because we are at max capacity for our trade room. Once we get enough people donating, because again, not many people do, the more people that donate will eventually upgrade our platform and get to a bigger one. But those cost it costs hundreds of dollars a month or so. So when we start getting enough people donating, we will then upgrade our trade room. But until then, we're going to keep it on Skype. And give preferential treatment to those that at least donate to us monthly, and then those that are active within at least a week. So if you would like to donate, click the donate button over here. And again, you have monthly options. You can see how inexpensive we have for those that want to donate. So again, we have our trade room, our daily watch list and trade alerts, our couple $1,000s worth of free courses. Again, we could easily charge $150 a month membership fees, but we don't. We're not doing that. We're a free community. All we're looking for is just people to donate at least a little bit to help us grow. Also, if you need coaching, we have a coaching button over here for personal coaching. We are very inexpensive for personal coaching, so if you need some extra coaching and stuff, make sure that you click on this link over here for coaching. We have some great merchandise. We have our trademark logos and our saying "Hope is real." So our slogan and our logo. If you like our merchandise, you want to help support us, we have ladies apparel, men's, kids, hat, zip-up hoodies, mugs, and gifts. So we have very good quality merchandise. So visit our stores, our merchandise stores, if you haven't already yet. Also on our website and below, you'll see our links right here for social media to follow us. Also, the links are below in this video. But as you can see here on Twitter, you can follow us on Twitter. We have Instagram, obviously, too. And then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notification bell, like our videos, share them, comment on them. We have lots of fantastic content over on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check it out. So hopefully this video helped you guys, and happy trading tomorrow. Enjoy.